Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a fall haul from the Dollar Tree. Yes, they are bringing their fall decor. I love it, guys. If you don't know, fall is one of my favorite times of the year. It's more cooler. It's just beautiful. I love the colors, the leaves change, everything. I'm pretty sure we all love it. Pumpkin spice from Starbucks. Need I say more? I don't think so. But guys, they have some really cute things. Now, some are repeats, and then there are some that are new. I've never seen them before. And I wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible. They have so many great things. I am so excited. And I wanted to do this video as soon as possible. So the moment I got this, I wanted to film right away. And these are just some of the fall decorations that they brought out so far. But I'm pretty sure they're gonna bring out a lot more. Knowing Dollar Tree, they like stocked the store fully stocked with just fall decor, which I freaking love. Oh Lord. So yeah, I really wanted to get this out to you guys. Now I'm really sorry guys, in this video, if you hear random little noises, my daughter is actually playing in her little play area right here with her toys, and sometimes she tends to bang her toys. So I really apologize about that. I hope you guys don't mind, but it is what it is. And because I really wanted to get this video out to you guys as soon as possible, I didn't really plan it out that well, so I'm just going with it. You guys know, if you guys been shopping at Dollar Tree, if you want something, you have to grab it, because if you don't, the next day it's pretty much gone. So I'm sorry you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm like spitting in the camera. Sorry about that. Let's get right into it, guys. I have a lot of stuff, so I'm really excited. Wanted to show you guys. So I have 2 bags. So the first thing that they brought out are these block style decors. So the first one is this one right here. And this one says Harvest, I can't talk. Harvest Blessings. Hi, baby. Yeah. Okay. Sorry guys, my daughter just came in. So she's gonna help me take care of her. So this is the first one. So this one says Harvest Blessings. It looks like this, and it's brown right here. And then the next one is this one right here. This one says Be Grateful. And it has this really beautiful red gingham style. I really love this. They have not brought this out with this green background. I feel like that's gonna be really hot this year, so I really love this. There's this one again with the green background, and it has like a brown gingham design to it on the sides. I really love this. This is Welcome Fall. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking pretty, guys. And then my favorite one of all is this one right here. This one says Hello Autumn. And the sides have these really beautiful like mustard color leaves. Really, really pretty. This is my favorite. I think I just said that, but this is ultimately my favorite. I just love the way it looks. Everything about it's just so beautiful. And I love the fact that it says Hello Autumn. I always love anything that says hello something. Something about it is just like really pretty. Wanted to be in the video, so here she is. Say hi. Can you say hi? Yeah, she's so sweet. Can you say hi to everyone? Look, say hi. Say hi. So let's just keep moving. The next thing I wanted to show you guys is this decor right here. Now, they have never done it this way with this green background. Like I said, I do feel like, yeah, I do feel like this is gonna be really on, I feel like this is gonna be really popular this year with this green background. I just think it's really beautiful. I love it. And I love the fact that it says Autumn Blessing. And then they also did it with this one. Now, they have brought one like this similar last year, but these I feel like they look much better. They definitely upgraded. And this one is with the white background. What the heck? Sorry guys, I do apologize. Yeah, I really love this one. And then I got another one. This one says, Let our hearts be full of thanks and giving. So I just love that. Love like little sayings and decors that I can just put around the house. moving on is this one right here. I actually got two of them. So this is the first one. I just think this is gorgeous. They have brought these before, but guys, I just love it. I just think they are so beautiful. I mean, look at that. And the little pumpkin right here is like 3D. Hopefully you guys can see that. I just think it's really beautiful. Now, I just want to let you guys know this does tend to come off. So if you guys wanted to stand firm without moving and without being flimsy, I think it's a good idea to just like hot glue it. That's what I'm thinking of doing. And honestly, I'm not going to DIY these. I actually like them exactly the way they are. I just think they are really pretty. And the other one that I got it in is this one right here. This one says, "Welcome friends," and it has this really beautiful sunflower. I just think this is beautiful. This did come off of the stand, so that's why I say you should hot glue it. The next two items that I got are these two straw bale. So it looks like this. I am gonna take it out of the bag. I was thinking to not take it out just because I know it gets like really messy, and I do want to use these year round. So yeah, like I said, I got two of those, and they also have these. So they had these last year. The first one is this one. Now I gotta warn you guys, these are very glittery, so there's a lot of fallout. So if you do not want your glitter to go anywhere, you might want to hairspray it. But yeah, this one says pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes, and in glitter has like these cute little corn, like that. Here is the next one, and this one says thankful, grateful, blessed. I just love that saying, guys. I love it. The last one is this one. It is in black, and this one says gather with grateful hearts. That is so sweet. I love that. Now there is another one that is with that green color, like this, the background that has the green, but I didn't see it at my Dollar Tree store. Now cheap on the cheek. Sheep on the cheek. Okay. Whoa. Okay, stop. Now, sheep on the cheek. Oh my gosh, I just can't. I'm sorry, guys. I can never say her channel without saying it the wrong way. I'm sorry, guys. I love that girl. I love her channel. Her channel name, I'm gonna say it more slowly. It's Chic on the Cheap. I said it right. I thought I was gonna say it wrong again. So I love her channel. She did a haul showing her fall decor, and I ran out the door, guys, and I got all of this. Now moving on to the next bag, I got 3 owls. So I got this one. This is porcelain. And I know to some people, like, owls are scary. I've heard people say that. My brother is actually afraid of owls. He says they look creepy because it looks like they're looking into your soul, but I personally love owls. I just think they are beautiful creatures. And then there's this one with the brown head, and also this one. So they are a little bit different colors, and I love them. I'm gonna put them probably together as a little family. If you guys don't know, I have a thing for like everything in a set of 3, just because it's me and my 2 daughters. So that's very sentimental to me. So I'm that type of freak that I like everything in sets of 3. Sometimes I get 4, but if it's something like that, I get it in a set of 3. I am so excited about these. I have never seen them bring these out ever. Oh my gosh. These are the monogram pumpkins. They are so pretty. They have like that farmhouse look to it. I absolutely love it. Now, I am a little bit disappointed because I was not able to find the letters that I wanted to get. So I was able to find an A for my daughter's name, but I was not able to find an E at all. So I got an S, and I was thinking of having it made backwards. And Chic on the Cheap. There you go. I said it. If you're ever watching my channel, which I don't think you are, but if you are, hey girl, love your channel. She actually had an idea. She wanted to find those pumpkins with the F-A-L-L that spells fall. And when she said that, that got me so excited. So I'm really hoping that I can find those letters and do it that way, because I think that is gorgeous. And they are not the same. Just want to point it out, guys. This one is more small, and this one is more like a straw. And then this one is more long and skinnier, and this one is with burlap bow, which is really cute. Okay guys, so more of the pumpkin decor. I found a lot of them, so I'm going to show you 2 at a time. first are these two, guys. These are so pretty. I have never seen them bring these out like this. Let me know if they have. I haven't. So they look like this, and it has like little leaf design on it. Hopefully you guys can see that. I absolutely love these, and I like the fact that they made them different sizes because it looks more multidimensional. I am going to be using this, probably one of them, to put it like on top like this. I just think it'll look way better. And they also have it like this. So this is like a matte green, and this is more like a shiny green. The colors are still slightly different. This one is more long, this one's more fat. Absolutely love them. And then the last one that is in this style design is this really beautiful white one right here. I absolutely love it. And okay, they also brought these back. These are the metallic pumpkins. So they look like this. This is more of the bronze, the copper, and the gold. They are all different styles, which I love that they thought of it that way. I just love it. They're just gorgeous, guys. And I do not discriminate when it comes to pumpkin decor. I love all things fall decor, all colors. I love it all, guys. And then the last 5 items I want to show you are also pumpkins, but they are these right here. So here are the first two. They're just gorgeous, guys. I absolutely love them. Here are the other 3. Is this not gorgeous? Especially this one is so unique. You usually don't see it in that color. So I just love the fact that they did it that way. And look at that as a bunch. It is so freaking beautiful, guys. So if you guys find any fall decor at the Dollar Tree, pick it up, guys. You know, if they have a hot item, it will be gone. They do not last, especially fall decor. It always sells out really quickly. So whenever I see fall decor, I like snatch it. I am savage about it, guys. I get all the ones I want. Sorry, guys, I'm selfish. So I love fall. Fall is one of my favorite time of the year, so I just love the colors and everything. So yeah, guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and you guys know that I'm gonna bring more fall decor because we all know that they're gonna bring a lot more. This is kind of just like a preview of what's to come. But anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are still watching this and you guys have not subscribed, make sure you click that subscribe button right now. If you guys don't know, I post 5 days a week, so I would love to have you. So why not join me? And until next time, guys, remember, stay blessed. Bye.